Today I'm going to show you how to connect end-to-end on tray-safe wire using the Universal Base Connector. As you can see here, we have two wires that need to be connected. We've got our Universal Base Connector, and we will need one plug for this, and then a pair of channel locks to close the connector. It is recommended that you provide strain relief. So take the two wires, just make a loop, put them together, and then, oh, there goes the box. All good. Now what we'll do is take the base connector. We're going to use one of there's already a blank, so what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the one side. Like so. Now we need to insert the two ends. Now these are oblong, shaped like a football. So is the connector. So we always want to put in and twist so that it lays flat. Same thing on the second one. So now if they both lay flat, put them in just like that. They're both flat. Now we make the connection. Oh, that popped out. That's okay. Take our channel locks. That's it. Hear the click. We're done. That simple. It's recommended that we just take a zip tie just to keep these together. That's all there is to it. No more stripping, no more cutting.